Lesson number 11. Connecting indicators and porting data. The VR watchlist and linker analytical complex allows the trader to port data of their own indicators. You can port the values of any other indicators to the columns where I had ask and bid prices in previous lessons, but now they are empty. If you do not know how to code and do not know how to write programs, then it is better to show this video to the person who will perform the porting for you. Porting is performed via a special intermediary indicator. This indicator is supplied with the VR watchlist and linker analytical complex. By its structure, the indicator is ready. Your task, or that of the programmer, is to transfer values to the variables ValueA and ValueB that should be output to columns. The first variable is for column A, the second is for column B. To port data, in the advisor settings, specify column data 1, custom indicator 1, custom data 2, custom indicator 2. At least if you want to port data to both columns. If you want to port data to only one, then choose the column that is more convenient for you. In the indicator itself, the programmer needs to pass the value to the ValueA variable. Porting is done via global variables. I will now demonstrate this by using the example of transmitting data from the moving average indicator. The indicator is now fully prepared for porting. The function that provides porting gets the symbol to get data from. Accordingly, we need to calculate a MA for the character. We received this symbol, indicated that it is the moving average indicator, and uncommented the variable A. You also need to specify a name for the indicator that will be displayed in the column header. In our case, it's MA. Column A, we have a 5-digit broker. Respectively, the value of digits is 5. That is 5 decimal places. After we have specified the average formula, we compile the indicator. The data is loaded into the left column, since we have selected column A. The indicator name and values were loaded. If we change the digits parameter to say 2, then the values in the column will change, leaving only 2 decimal places. You can port data to both columns using a single indicator as well, either to the left or to the right or to both at once. Data of the double type is ported, meaning the text cannot be ported. You can port values with or without a comma, but anything other than double type data can be ported. The programmer's task is to transfer mathematics to variable A using the specified symbol. After receiving these values, watchlist displays them again for each financial instrument, and you can use watchlist to sort them. Depending on which indicator and what math is passed, if the value increases, it turns blue, and if it decreases, it turns red. However, the trader can change these colors in the program settings. If you did not understand something, you can contact technical support using the contacts listed on the page for this video.